Okay, so let's review how we did this. Thank you. Okay, so we should add 24 to both sides. We get 3x squared equals 24. Now what? How do we get that x squared by itself, class? Very good. Divide by 3. Oopsie. That gives me x squared equals 8. Now what? Square root. Don't square, square root. Now give me x equals the square root of 8 and negative square root 8. See. Those are my two solutions. Any questions over that? Okay, the next one. In this one, I already have the squared thing by itself. So I just have to get rid of the square. So I square root both sides. And that gives me x minus 2. These will cancel out. Equals the square root of 24 and negative square root 24. Do I know the square root of 24? Okay, I'm going to plug it into my calculator. I think it's about 4.8. Because it's close to the square root of 25, which is B5, but yeah, 4.89. So it's about 4.9. So I'm going to add the 2 to both sides. And that's going to give me x equals 2 plus the square root of 4, or 24. And 2 minus the square root of 24. Any questions over that? How are we doing? Okay, we need to talk about one more thing. I'm going to do F with you guys right now. I plug in 0 for g of x, because again, we're looking for the x-intercepts. So I subtract 27 from both sides. That gives me negative 27 equals 3x squared. Lonnie, what should I do next? Very good. Divide by that 3. That's going to give me negative 9 equals x squared. Then I square root both sides to remember the square root of negative. Not 9i. The square root of 9 it would be. You know it. You just got stuck. The square root of 9 is 3. And because of the negative, it's I. But it's also negative 3i. Remember that negative inside a radical is imaginary because there's no number times itself that'll give you a negative number. Because a negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, so your homework 3.4. Sorry, not 3.4. 4.1 and 4.2 due on Tuesday.